The National Weather Service in Chicago has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for eastern Lake County in northeastern Illinois until 1:30 p.m. At 12:41 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located over Winthrop Harbor or over Pleasant Prairie, moving southeast at 30 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Waukegan, Buffalo Grove, Wheeling, Northbrook, North Chicago, Gurnee, Highland Park, Vernon Hills, Zion, Libertyville, Lake Forest, Deerfield, Beach Park, Gages Lake, Glencoe, Park City, Lincolnshire, Winthrop Harbor, Lake Bluff, Highwood, Grandwood Park, Green Oaks, Wadsworth, Riverwoods, and Bannockburn. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. The severe